Hi students, today I want to show you how to record your listening assessment in your ePortfolio. So click on classwork, and on the bottom left hand side you're going to scroll down to topics, all topics, and you see ePortfolios. Click on that. Now you're going to click on your folder, and then you will see your listening assessment. You might have other things if you haven't put them away, but find the 137 CLB5 listening, double click to check it, because you want to just check any marks that Julie's made. Scroll down on the side. You should be able to just scroll down, you don't have to open it, and you can see, so you see your email, you see the points you got. The student got 13 out of 14. And then right underneath the title, you're going to find your name. So scroll down to where you see your name, and you're going to find your individual tracking score, and it'll be a 2, a 3, or a 4. So a 3 or a 4 is what you completed. So write it down on a piece of paper. So this student got 13 out of 14. That is your score. And then your individual tracking score is the single number. And then just scroll through to see what you got right and wrong. Okay, and when you're done, you can close this by going back an arrow, and you're going to move this by clicking on your bottom left-hand corner of the touchpad with your left finger, and with your right finger dragging it up to listening artifacts. And then you can see that it's going into listening artifacts. Click move, and then double click just to check that it actually, did it go in there? Listening assessment, yeah, I see it right over here, so you might have to open it to read it. Now click on your name and click on inventory sheets, double click, and it's taking you into the inventory instructions, and at the bottom click on listening. Okay, and I can see I want to click where it says date, and then if you have more than one listening artifact, you need to just click down. If you don't, you just find the next free one, and you can see that it's moving down. Okay, and I can see that the student has another one. Okay, and here we go, today's date. So number 3 is free. It is July 20th. And the task was buying a used item. It was formal assessment. Competency was getting things done. And then the score was out of 14. So you go 13 out of 14 for this student, whatever your score was. And then this student was successful, 3 to 4. Okay, and then you scroll up just to double check. Yeah, we got everything there. Excellent. And we are done. So now we are going to close this X out and come to the front page here, and it should look clean like this. So that's how you put the listening assessment into your ePortfolio.